Welcome to the Daily Jing for Friday, January 24th. I put a couple notes, well, I put a note in the daily course notes here, links to two articles from the New York Times, and you might look at these when you're thinking about the kind of company you want to imagine working for. Okay, so click on these and read through those. Um, let's go to the course schedule. So this is the second day. Wednesday, I had you look at the first assignment here and create your student portfolio folder and share it with me and look at the correspondence assignment, which is the first assignment that you'll have to write the letter. But the most important thing before you start that is to look at the list of companies that I've put out, and also look at the course notes page with those two articles from the New York Times, because you have to establish that company for yourself. Today I'd like to get into the discussion in D2L on the correspondence assignment. Mainly at first here, let's talk about the kinds of companies that you've come up with and your ideas for them and your questions about them, that sort of thing. So the request letter is due today, Friday, or by Monday at 6 a.m. If you read this little note up here, it talks about when the assignments are due and how they're due and so forth. Also, I'd like you to start the view and do number 1, which you'll find in resource content, course assignments, view and do off of D2L. That's a view and do where you go and look at the assignment sheet and you summarize it and talk about what you're going to do with it and that sort of thing. Okay, so it's important to get into the discussion. I'll be in there later today and over the weekend. So ask the sort of questions that you need to ask. And the other thing that I'd like you to do is, in the discussion, there's an introduction page. Put in your introductions in there so that we can see who you are and what you're doing and what kind of plans you have for your education and that sort of thing. It's just a place where we can get to know you as a student in the class, and other people can also get to know you. Okay? So the question of the day is, what is due today? And the first assignment, the request letter, is to post it into your student portfolio folder. And it's finally due by Monday at 6 a.m. Okay? All right, thanks.